In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to put words on top of pictures using Microsoft Word. If you want to add text directly over a picture in Microsoft Word, you can do this by inserting the picture first and then using a text box. This is useful for creating simple posters, labels, announcements, invitations, and other documents where you want text to appear over an image. First, open Microsoft Word and create a new blank document. Once the document is open, go to the Insert tab at the top of Microsoft Word. Click Pictures, then choose this device to locate the picture you want to use on your computer. Select your picture and click Insert. The picture will now appear in your document. Next, click on the picture to display the picture format options. Look for the Wrap Text option and select it. Choose Behind Text so that you can position the picture freely on the page and place other content over it. Now, go back to the Insert tab. Look for the text box option and click it. Choose a simple text box and insert it into the document. A text box will appear on top of the picture. Click inside the text box and type the words you want to place over your picture. You can enter a title, message, label, or any other text that you want to display. Next, select the text and use the formatting options in the Home tab to change the font size, alignment, or other text settings. Adjust the formatting so that the words are easy to read against the picture. You can also move the text box to the exact position you want. Click the edge of the text box and drag it over the picture until the text is positioned correctly. If the text box has a visible border or background that you don't want, use the formatting options for the text box to remove or adjust those elements. This allows the text to appear more naturally over the picture. Continue adjusting the position of the picture and text box until the layout looks the way you want. Before finishing, review the entire document and make sure the text is positioned correctly and remains easy to read. You can also resize the text box if the words don't fit properly. And that's how you can put words on top of pictures using Microsoft Word. By combining a picture with a text box, you can easily create a simple design directly inside your Word document. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments. Give it a like, subscribe to the channel,